You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. Yes, I know too many people get them wrong, or at least get confused by it. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. The top word in British English is pronounced as crawl. Yes, it's more of an O sound rather than an A sound. Crawl. Now, the Americans say it as crawl, so a bit more of an A sound, but still fairly similar pronunciation. Crawl or crawl. So that's when you crawl on the ground, right? The bottom word is pronounced cruel. Yes, it's an oo sound. It's almost like double O. You could spell it C-R-O-O-L. Cruel. Cruel, all right? So crawl is the top word, and cruel. Cruel is when you evil, when you're bad, dangerous, cruel. Crawl, cruel. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those words? Was this video any useful? Let me know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.